guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be recording more of my wooden trains. So basically I'm just going to be driving trains in this video in one of the tracks I built, and then I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to set up my YouTube channel, so. So, right here I have my Southern Pacific stamp, which I think I bought it from Target, I think, and I think it comes pretty good detail. Looks good, and it actually wasn't that much bucks. I think we bought it for 3 or 4, but I think it still turned out really good to buy. It's just so good. I just like it. That will be my Southern Pacific steam. Then if I move over here on the track, right here I have my Metra engine from Middle Shoreline Railroad. It comes with a set, so it would be 70 or 60 bucks. And I think it turned out really good to be for a wooden train. I really like Middle Shoreline Railroad. I think they make really good Middle Shoreline trains. I really like their trains. This looks so good. I really like that Metra. And then I got my first Metra passenger car, which is pretty good. And at the beginning of a video, AB forgot to say I was gonna show some of my trains too, but we're already get. And then here is my other Metra passenger car. It looks so good. I like this one. Looks good. I just really like this one. I think I got it actually last year, so these ones are not too new. And if I go to my bedroom, I got some more. So I'm in my bedroom, and here I got some of my box cars here. So I'm getting in the light, and this one. Oh. So here's my Canadian National box car. It is I bought it from Lidl, and I got it on November 1st, 2020, and it's December 1st, 2020. So this is like one of my newest trains I ever got. It turned out actually to be really good. This Canadian National, it was added on 2015, I think, which it turned out really good. So that is that one. And then this one I got on Friday, which is the Let It Snow box car from eBay. think it turned out really good. It's really in good compression. This, I like it. Looks good. I basically was excited about this is I like boxcars. For some reason, I dislike boxcars, so this is what it turned out to be for that one. And then I got two other ones, which is the Canadian National one, the Burlington Northern one, and the Union Pacific one, which the Burlington Northern one I got last year. My brother got it, and it actually turned out really good. So that is that one. Then I got my Union Pacific one from Whittle Short Line Railroad. And basically, this one was it turned out a little different because I was thinking this one is actually supposed to come with a black button, but instead it came with a brown one. So I'm kind of a little confused about that. But we're going to go back to the playroom and then show some more trains. Here's my cat. Bye-bye, bro. Bye. My brother's here. I don't want to interrupt his face because he's a kid like me. So, we're back in the playroom here. So now I got some interesting trains to show. Some of these I made. We have wheels on them, so it might be a little confusing which ones we bought. And this one, I think we bought for actually this $2 or $3 from I think Walmart. So here it is. It actually turned out to be really good. I really like the front look at it. I really like this engine. All I basically like is it of the logo of it. I just really like it. So that is that train. I'll go over to my box to show you how many trains. This whole box is basically full. See? It's still there. Right in there. So I'm gonna get it facing this wall, gray wall, to show some more trains. So the next one, I made myself. It is my Surfliner. My Surfliner train. It turned out to be really good. I really like it. We bought some wheels for a place to put on wheels. And I think it actually turned out to be really good. I really like that Surfliner. And next up on the list is let me get it. It's almost. Next is the Burlington Northern Caboose, which I'll make a part 2. If you want a part 2, leave. If you want a part 2, let's everybody hit the like button, then I'll make a part 2 to this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.